Today, I was going to say a little bit more about colony collapse disorder because this whole situation changes from year to year. And currently, we're in a pretty bad place for the collapse disorder, but at the same time, we're learning more about how to manage it. And as we describe in this module, the collapse disorder is when the worker bees leave the hive and leave the queen bee and all of the resources there. So here's a picture of a healthy hive, and here is a picture of a hive where the worker bees have mostly departed. And the situation is dire, as I said. In some years, we're losing 44% of the hives. Actually, recently we've lost 44% of the hives in a given year. And in across the country, in early part of this year, 105,000 hives were deserted. So that's a lot of loss, and obviously left unchecked, this situation is very serious for agriculture and horticulture. And so at this stage, there's a whole bunch of different causes of colony collapse disorder, as we described here: environmental causes, biological causes, ecological causes. They include this mite, Varroa mite, and that is shown here in this slide. This is a Varroa slide. This slide here actually shows a nice summary of the colony collapse disorder, including the causes down here: pesticides, stress, the parasites, including the mite, and a pathogen, which is supposed to be very serious, and nutritional causes. So it's a really serious situation. But at the same time, the USDA and other organizations are learning a lot about how to manage it. And there's promise that a bacterium planted inside the hive can protect it from CCD. So there are some hopeful signs, and hopefully over the coming years we will learn how to manage the decline in bees.